Okay, guys. So now I showed you video one how we played this the call run up here, and those were big gains there. Now playing the puts on the way down was a little bit different because pre-market I actually called out puts under here, but I saw a few things that led me to want to short this. And even though personally I had some technical difficulties, I had to get out of the trade. Personally, it played out exactly how I wanted it to. So I'm just going to show you what I was looking for so you guys can kind of look for the same thing. And I will show you what happens. So if we just jump to our Discord here for a second. July 7th, at 1:50 p.m. I said this is a counter trend, so be careful, but let's buy the 710 SPY 442 puts for 110. And I will show you why right now. So again, that was at 1:50 p.m. So let's go to 1:50. So here's 1:50 p.m. So this is where I alerted those puts. Now, what did I say? So these these three lines here is the 9 EMA is the purple, the 20 EMA is the black, and the 50 moving average is my blue line here. So as you can see, all three crossed here. That's bearish to me when all three cross to the downside. Another thing I saw, RSI oversold or overbought, excuse me. But more importantly, if we jump to the 5-minute chart here, again, 1:50 p.m. is when I alerted. But if you look here at 1:30-ish, we have our MACD crossing on the 5-minute. Our RSI here is extremely overbought. So this is what I saw a few minutes before, kind of brewing, that led me to alert this trade. So a few minutes later. Now I didn't get in right away, and I'll show you why. If we jump back to the 1-minute chart here, you'll see we had this little bump up here that at 140 that I wanted to make sure wasn't anything serious. And as soon as I saw a start to sell off again, at 150, that's when I entered this trade. This trade actually, as you can see, trailing stop losses here are great. I mean, you're able to run this. I think this ran 185%. But again, so I saw that cross here on the MACD. The RSI on the 5-minute chart was way oversold, or around 130. We had our MACD cross at 130, 135, that's why I alerted us to the downside. So even though I personally wasn't able to catch this trade, it was exactly what I wanted to see. I love days like this, and hopefully we have some more. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit something here on both these videos. But this is exactly what I look for when I'm trading, and this is why I've had the success I've had lately. I'm keeping it simple, and it's working for me. So hope you guys learned something. Thanks.